Welcome to Riotouch Factory Show. As a professional interactive display manufacturer, we have more than 15 years experience, acquired many awards and certifications. This is Riotouch Factory Overview. Our team is professional and experienced. Guess you are curious about how we produce interactive display. Let's figure it out. We use high-quality LED lamp strip, make sure our interactive display products have the best vision experience. That's why we can reach 4K high-definition level. In throwing plate assemble process, our experienced team will carefully tighten every screw, offer stable quality. Contact and follow us now on social media. We are Riotouch, your reliable business partner.